Human rights. Meaning, nature and characteristics, and kinds of human rights. What are human rights? Human rights are rights we have simply because we exist as human beings, they are not granted by any state. Human rights are rights inherent to all human beings, regardless of race, sex, nationality, ethnicity, language, religion, or any other status. According to Lasky, rights are those conditions of social life without which no man can seek in general to be himself at his best. There are 30 human rights that are described in the Universal Declaration of Human Rights. The examples of human rights are: right to equality, Article 1. Right to life, liberty and security, Article 3. Freedom from torture and degrading treatment, Article 5. Freedom from slavery, Article 4. Right to education, Article 26. Right to peaceful assembly and association, Article 20. Right to adequate living standard, Article 25. Freedom of belief and religion, Article 18. Freedom of opinion and information, Article 19. Nature and characteristics of human rights. These rights are essential and fundamental. In the absence of human rights, the society would be in a deplorable state. There would be chaos all around. Human rights are a necessity for the upliftment of people. Human rights are universal. The rights do not discriminate against the people. These rights are available to all the people equally without taking note the varied differences among the people. Not absolute. Human rights are never absolute. Each right has its limitations, which is imperative to public health, order, and morality. These rights are not unbridled. Inalienable. Human rights are inalienable in nature. Nobody can deprive a person of these rights. Moreover, human rights are inalienable because they cannot be rightfully taken away. They cannot be given away or be forfeited. Interdependent. Human rights are interdependent on other rights. Connected with dignity. These human rights are deeply connected with the dignity of the individuals living in a society. These are similar to moral rights. Conscience is regarded important. Human rights are inherent. The rights cannot be brought or borrowed from somewhere or someone. These rights are naturally existing. Kinds of human rights. There are 5 types of human rights: civil, political, economic, social, and cultural human rights. Civil rights. These individual civil rights include life, liberty, security of people, privacy, freedom of movement, speech, thought, conscience, subjecting no one to arbitrary arrest, detention or exile, practicing religion and beliefs, etc. Political rights. These involve right to expression, assembly and association, right to participate in government affairs. It also involves the right of universal and equal suffrage and entitlement of right to a nationality. Economic rights. These are the rights which are essential to lead a healthy life. These rights have been included in Charter on the Human Rights as well, like the right to own property, right to social security, right to work, right of equal pay for equal work without discriminating on various kinds of parameters.
Social rights. These rights govern the smooth functioning of the society. Right to marry and set up a family, right to free and compulsory education, etc., constitute a part of the social rights.
Cultural rights. Man is a social animal and hence these rights are deemed necessary. Everyone has the right to participate in cultural activities. Denial of these rights result in infringement of human rights which is against the law.